Thanks for tuning in to Nail Art Madness. Today I will be doing a polish swatch from Nicole by OPI, the Gumdrops collection. This one is called My Cherry Amour. It is 15 milliliters or 0.5 fluid ounces, and it is a textured polish. I ordered this polish off eBay for $4.99 with free expedited shipping. The supplier offers many of the Nicole by OPI and Gumdrop polishes as seen here. If you're interested in purchasing any of these polishes, or if you wish to visit the supplier's store, you can follow the links in the description box below. This color reminds me of a mixture between an over-ripened strawberry or a raspberry with holographic glitter mixed in with it. The formula looks like it's going to be really thick. The brush is short and wide, but it also looks like it has a lot of flexibility to it, so it'll spread the polish over the nail very easily. So let's go ahead and begin with the first coat. The first coat color looks like a very bright raspberry color. I would like to warn though that when applying this polish, don't try to thin it out too much on the nail, because the polish does start to set and dry very quickly, and that will leave uneven patches on the nail. So my advice would be to stick with the thicker layers. The second coat looks so pretty, and as you can tell, the color has went from a very bright raspberry color from the first coat to a deep cherry color. The glitter on the polish shines through so beautifully. I could sit here and play with my nails in different lights all day long, and it's really fun to do. The texture on the polish feels like gritty sand. It is a very light textured polish though. It's not heavy at all, so you don't have to worry about it catching on anything and chipping off. As far as top coats go, you really don't need to use one, but if you do decide to use a top coat, you're still going to have that texture on your nail. And I would also like to add that this polish eats through the top coats. I had to add 2 layers of a thicker gel top coat to seal in the polish, so you may need 2 to 3 layers of a top coat if you decide to use one. So here's just a little bit of a tidbit for you. You can use a thin layer of glue or no mess. I use the glue on the top layer of your polish, let it dry, and then add your top coat. This will prevent the absorption of your top coat on your polish, and it will also protect your polish against chipping or wear and tear, so your manicure will last longer. They're not cruelty free, and that is pretty much the only downside to this nail polish. But ranking this polish from 0 to 5 stars, I would definitely give the polish itself 5 stars. The formula is a wonderful mixture of the glitter and the polish together. The glitter doesn't just sit in one area of the nail, and it doesn't dry really chunky on the polish. The polish dries really quick even in thick layers. That is it for this video. I hope y'all guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and hit your bell button for notifications so you'll be notified when I upload new content. Stay tuned for some pictures at the end of this video, and I will see y'all guys next Saturday.